Okay, now the third task here is going to be a loop ligating task where you have this foam organ goes into the jumbo clip. Sit over here. And so what you need to do is get this loop here. You can see over here around that black line. And so one of the first things that you do, and also the other instrument here is either a Maryland or a locking grasper. I use the Maryland because my testing center uses the Maryland, and the locking grasper is actually easier because you can let go after it locks. So I think better to practice with the harder instrument. But the first thing you do once you have the loop here and time begins is actually snap it, and you bring the loop in to make it smaller and more manageable while wrapping this around your finger so you have better control over pulling it back. So you bring the loop in over here. And what you actually do is you go through the loop with your Maryland, then you grab the end here, and then while shrinking the loop, you try to place the tip of the endoloop around, well, it's a little short, so it's a little bit can be a little difficult sometimes, but around that black line. That way the loop should guide down on there while you pull up, and then you just kind of cinch it down on top of that black line that you see there. Once it's cinched down, you can confirm that it's nice and firmly on there. Then you can pull back, and then you just need to cut it over here, and then you should be done with the exercise. It needs to be within 1 millimeter of the black line, but it looks like it's on there. So that's loop ligation for you.